And in 2025, you have a 3 special star helping you. And then the first 2 are very good. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiacs belong to Monkey, which is 1944, 1956, 1968, 1980, 1992, 2004, and 2016. So if you are born in those years, your zodiacs belong to Monkey, and in 2025, you have a 3 special star helping you. And then the first 2 are very good, which is the Tai Yam and Lok Hap. These 2 stars is something like in your life, you have some important people, maybe your friends, your relative, or someone behind you. Whenever you need, they will just show up and give you a hand. So this is good. This is important. And those people are especially good for your business. So whenever you need some people to refer you some customer, your friends, your relative will show up. And whenever you need some help in your business, your friends, your relative will also show up and help you out. So these 2 stars are really good. And also you have the Lok Hap Tai Shui. This star is also really good because the Tai Shui is helping you a lot in this year. But you need to pay attention because there's some moment you are also against with the Tai Shui. So there's sometimes it's good, but sometimes there will be ups and downs. So you need to pay attention. But in general, 2025 is a really good year for you. Let's say if you are working for somebody, this year is a good idea for you to explore your a business, your career, to find more opportunity, to develop a new skill for you. Or let's say if this year, if you want to change to a new job, it's also a good year for you to do that. Or if you want to start your own business this year, 2025 is also a good idea for you to do that. Or if you are a boss already, then 2025 you can also develop a new branches, find new a partner to work with, because 2025 is especially good for your business and career development. Okay, in terms of the investment, you need to pay attention because there will be lots of ups and downs in this year because you have a 4 special star, and then the first one is a Guan Shou. That star will bring you some obstacle, some difficulty, especially in your daily life and in your investment. So for you to invest in this year, you need to pay extra attention this year. Okay, in terms of the health, because the Sam Yin is affecting you, so you need to be careful for a minor injury, minor accident, and then the Ngao Shan is bringing you some diseases, health concern. So you need to pay attention for some a health issue. And then for the love energy, this Gu Shan will make you have a loneliness or bring you have some conflict between you and your spouse. So you need to pay attention for the relationship. But in general, 2025 is not a bad year for you. But if you want to further boost your luck, you need to find your good people surrounding you, which is snake. That will be good for you. But snake, there will be some issue in 2025. But in general, the zodiac snake is good for you. And you can also find the zodiac dragon and rats. They will also help you out. And in your business team, you need to stay away from tiger, pig, and monkey, especially tiger, because they're always affecting you. Then you can use your good luck timing to bring you more luckiness. Let's say 11 p.m. to 1 a.m., 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Those timing are good for you. Whenever there's some important things to do, let's say if you want to sign a contract, if you want to have an important thing to do, just use this a good luck timing. That will help. And avoid those bad luck timing, which is 9 p.m. to 11 p.m., 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. That would be good. And wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is The Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put a link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.